Hi everyone. All right, so we're going to be talking about weight, capacity, and temperature. Okay, and this is what your math is for the week. So let's start with weight. Okay, so there's lots of different things that we can use to take the weight of something. You might have one like this that looks like at home. This is probably what it looks like at the doctor's office. Okay, you might see these two at the grocery store. This is called a balance scale, and this is the one that we're going to be talking about. Okay. And this is all weight, how heavy something is. Okay, so here's just some silly animals being weighed. You can see the dolphin, the frog, the owl. It's a little baby alligator. That's a baby elephant, a little baby red panda. Okay, but just different ways that they weigh different animals. Okay, just kind of something cute. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, so now when on a balance scale, which is what this is, when something's heavier, that side's going to go down. The side that's lighter will go up in the air, just like a seesaw at a playground. Okay, so let's take a look. So if we have a bunny and a butterfly, which one do you think will weigh more? Okay, right, it's going to be the bunny. Okay, how about a spider and a dinosaur? Right, it's going to be the dinosaur. Okay, how about a turtle and a rat? Right, it's going to be a turtle. Okay, how about a pig and a horse? Right, it'll be the horse that'll weigh more. Now, let's try it with some math, because it's going to be a little bit harder, okay? So if we have the number 10 and we have the number 8, which one do you think would weigh more? It's going to be the 10, okay? So if we have 7 and 8, okay, the 8 will weigh more. Now, if you want to balance it out, we'd have to add 1 to that. 7 plus 1 would be 8, and that would make them even. Okay, that would mean neither side is higher than the other, because 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, just making it a little bit harder. Okay, if you wanted to make your own scale at home, you can. You just need a hanger, a little bit of string, and 2 cups, 2 buckets, 2 something. You just hang them off the hanger like that, and you'll make your own balance scale at home. Okay. All right, capacity. Capacity is how much liquid something can hold before it overflows. Okay, so you can see our little goldfish here was trying to make himself a bath, but he put too much water in the sink, so he overflowed its capacity. The sink couldn't hold any more water, just like when a sponge can't hold any more water. Okay, so these are how we measure. Some of the things we measure. We have gallon, quarts, cups, and teaspoons. Okay, you've probably seen Mom use those when she's cooking. Okay, there's also this cute little guy to help us remember how many quarts, pints, cups, and everything are in gallons. Okay, so a cute little robot gallon man. I did email your parents a copy of this if you wanted one. It's not in your packet, but I did email it to them. Okay, so just some fun things you can do with capacity. Okay, this one's really fun. If you fill a glass as close as you think you can with water before it overflows, and you just keep dropping paper clips in one at a time, and see how long it takes for that water to overflow, okay? Because that's capacity. How much can you put in before the water overflows, okay? Then we have temperature. You guys are really good with temperature and reading it and being able to tell me if it's warm or cold outside. I think it's you want to get out to recess, so you've gotten really good at it, okay? So here's our thermometer, okay? The closer it gets to the top, the warmer it is. The closer it gets to the bottom, the colder it is, okay? So down at the bottom where it's really cold, that's where we get like snow, ice, you have to wear jackets, hats, gloves, scarves, all of that, okay? Then when we get up here, that's where it's going to be really warm. And that's where you're going to have like summer and swimming and going to the pool, okay? Here's a map of the world, okay? So right here would be the equator. This is the part closest to the sun. That's why it's red, because that's the warmest part of the world. Okay? And then the farther and farther you get away, the colder and colder and colder it gets. Okay? So not only do we use temperature to see if we can go out to recess or see if you guys have a fever, if you aren't feeling good, but we use it over the world too. Okay? So let's take a look here. So if you were wearing this, which one of these do you think the thermometer would look like? Would it be hot or cold if you needed a winter hat? Okay, and it would look like that when it would be cold, right? Because if you're wearing a winter hat, it must be chilly outside. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, yep, you're right. With the mittens, it's going to be the cold one, okay? How about the flip-flops? It's going to be the one where it's taller. The red's taller because it's warmer out. How about the shorts? Yep, same thing. It's going to be warm out. How about a bathing suit? Let's say you're going swimming outside. We're not at Kalahari. It's going to be in an outdoor pool. Okay, so it's going to be warmer out. In a scarf, yep, it's going to be colder out. Okay, you guys got it. All right, so this is kind of a fun one to do at home too. Okay, if you want to see, just fill up the glasses with water and add different food colorings to them and put them in the window and see if the color of the water changes how warm the water gets and how quickly that water gets warm. Okay, just kind of a fun game, fun little science experiment. Okay. All right, and then this is just a little review, guys, of all of the things that we're talking about. Last week we did measurement. We have weight, we have pounds, ounces, quarts, gallons, pints, cups, teaspoons, yards, inches, all of that. Okay, so these are all of our units of measurement. Okay, you guys are doing great. I miss you like crazy. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.